Okay, so this you know, training is about how to enter trade with the trading armor with the certain rules, and that I use for my own profits. Okay, you can
Okay.
you are my Discord member, so you can see my profit list. You know,
Yes.
so let's start this video. So first of all, I want you to take a note on some take a note of whatever I write here. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So I call it 5 check marks to
Mm-hmm.
money make money with trading armor. Okay. So first
Okay.
check mark is sell signal. Second is pay attention when this presentation will finish. I know you will learn a lot,
Okay.
and you will start making money from your first trade if you follow these
Or
rules. Yep. And third one is um, dot, red or blue dot in B plus. Okay, so
mm-hmm.
red and the fourth one is money flow, which is wave, you know, green and red wave, money flow color. And fifth one is trend, trend line in B plus. So and you have to keep a note on most important thing is candle color should be
Okay.
red for sell signal, green for buy signal. And you need to set your own rules for, to make yourself profitable. Your own rules, it should include, first of all, do not enter second time in same trade. Second, and second is do not take entry late. Okay, and third and
Sure.
final one is don't break the rules above.
Okay.
So by when I say 5 check marks, I mean 5, not even fifth check mark. Sorry, not even the uh, if one of the 5 check mark is not present, then do not enter the trade. Okay,
Okay.
so let's start. First of all, take a picture of this. Take a picture of this in your phone
Mm-hmm.
and
Ah,
set as a wallpaper.
okay. Okay. Sure.
Set a wallpaper in your phone so you never forget these rules.
Yep. Yep.
Mhm. Tell me when you are done.
Okay. Yes, I'm done.
Okay, so let's start the tutorial.
Okay.
So first check mark is this buy signal. Buy this one, example this one, sell signal, and EMA ribbon. And make sure all the EMA ribbon lines should be red. Okay, not a single one should be in green when you take entry.
Okay.
All of them should be red. If you take entry from this second candle, example from the price of 1990, sorry, 9190. Okay, You take entry
Okay.
and you can exit wherever you want, like 5%, 10% profit. Okay.
Yes.
And these two rules apply in this like set for settings like this. If a single EMA is not um,
Red.
yeah, it's not matched with the red. Like if you want to take this
Mm-hmm.
buy signal, you should not take this buy signal at all, because
Yes.
look,
Okay.
the one EMA is not green. Okay,
It's not
all
green.
of them
Yeah.
should
Yeah.
be green or red.
All right.
So these are the
Okay.
two check marks. And the third one is this red dot that I mentioned here. This is a valid red dot in as a third check mark. Okay, and the fourth one is money flow, which is this area, red area here. It's below the zero line. Okay, so money is leaving the
Mm-hmm.
market, so this sell signal is valid now, right? This is a
Okay.
valid and profitable sell signal. And the fifth one is this super trend line, which shows that money that who is in control. Red means sellers are in control, as you can see. Okay, if all of
Okay.
these five check marks are visible in your chart, you can enter a trade. These rules apply for the entry, a profitable entry, right? And if the single one of them is not matched with the rules, it means you should
Mm-hmm.
never take entry. Okay, all of them should be red,
Okay.
all of them, not a single one should be green. Red dot, red money flow, red candle, all the
Okay.
red ribbons,
Mm-hmm.
signals, and trend line. All right, so this is how
Okay.
you enter a trade. And if you want to make money like 150% profit in 1 month, then you need to follow a one simple step to make yourself 150% profitable a month. It's because if you want to take profit like 150%, you have to take on an average um, profit taking, sorry, yeah, profit taking ratio will be 5% each day. Is it a big deal?
Yeah, it's big deal.
It's really easy. 5% is not a big deal. It's just it will take seconds or minutes to get 5% each day. And multiply 5 into 3, right? It's 15.
Yeah, it's 150. Yeah.
Yeah, 150% a month.
Mm-hmm.
Now, imagine you are taking a 150% profit a month. Okay, it means how much in like 12 months? It should be more than
Yeah,
10x,
that's
more than 10x.
yeah, that's
Right.
exactly. That's yeah, even more. That's compounding. So
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
gonna be about
yeah.
20x easy. Yeah.
Yeah, imagine if your portfolio is worth like $500, okay, in your trading account, and you are trading with the 20% of your money. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
uh, 20% for trading, which makes $100 for your per trade. And if you are taking $5 profit on each trade, so that will make you after a month $250. Okay, and then
Yep.
you what you need to do in the end, withdraw $150 your profit. Okay, withdraw it
Yes.
and start from $100 trade again. That's it. This is a simple math. Okay, I'm not good in math.
Mm-hmm.
I am worse worst student in math, but I understand these simple rules. So when
Yeah.
you do you use some compounding sheets?
Yes, I can do that. Yeah.
Yeah. So I advise you to never use compounding sheets. Okay, if you want to make compounding, then compound in your bank
Mm-hmm.
account, not in your trading account.
Okay.
Yeah, never use compounding in your trading account. Make always compounding in your bank. So
Okay.
that's what will benefit you in the end. Okay, for in the long run.
Okay. That's. Mm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have any questions now? I am done with my, you know,
Okay.
presentation.
I never know that. So that's 5 rules.
That's
I
it.
think this is a money maker. Yeah, the
Yep.
5 rules. This is exactly what I'm looking for.
Yeah, yeah. So
So.
this was a simple presentation that you need to know with the trading armor. So this is
Mm-hmm.
what I use for my profit. And if you look at my profits here in profit wall, I just almost 10x my money in just 6 months. If you only count my profits here, almost 10x my money
Mm-hmm.
with the
Mm-hmm.
same
Mm-hmm.
rules, same practices. The thing I don't do, I don't take entry very late. Like it's dumped already. Okay. I will not enter
Yeah.
from third or second candle. I will enter in the very first candle where all the rules are starting to match.
Okay. And what about the stop loss? Where do you put your stop loss in this case?
Like my stop loss is like 3%, for example, and 5%
Okay.
profit. But I don't set my profit. I take profit manually because you know why? If I set limit to my profit, example 5% each day, and if the dump is huge like this, okay, my
Yeah.
if the profit hits, if profit hits my target, I will just, I will be limited by the 5% only, okay. And
Yeah.
if I
Yeah. I
don't set
understand.
my profit taking, then it could boost like 20% in seconds, right? Just
Mm-hmm.
look,
Exactly.
my
Yes.
last trade was this was manual exit because the candles was small, so I exit manually on this profit taking ratio. But when dump is huge, like you see it now, and look, I managed to get myself profitable more than 15%. So
Great.
in the previous
Mm-hmm.
pump, sorry, in the previous dump, from 94 entry, and exit was
Mm-hmm.
93.42. It was in seconds. You know how Bitcoin
Yeah.
reacts, right? It
Yeah.
reacts
Exactly.
very
Yeah.
fast. Yeah. Do you have any questions?
Um. So I just need to try those 5 rules now and
Obviously.
put them in work. So what about the best time frame you are using in general? So for scalping, for intraday, and for
Time frame.
like a swing position.
You are talking about time frame, right?
Yeah, time frames. Yeah.
Okay. So do you know that these same rules apply on buy signals as well?
Yeah, same rule. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So
All should
we
be,
need the buy signals. We need a ribbon all green. We
yeah,
need
all
a red,
green dot.
a green dot.
Mm-hmm.
So the money flow must be green on the
Yeah,
green, and the trend
and
line.
should be
Where
green.
is the trend line? Yeah, it should be green.
All
Yeah,
green. You want everything green for the
green before.
100%
Yeah.
confirmed profitable entry.
Mm-hmm.
All the things should be green.
Okay.
Yep. Just don't be greedy, okay? Just don't think you can get 20% profit from each move. That's up to
No,
market.
no.
This is that is your luck. Market can give you whatever it feels like. But if you set some rules,
I have rules that I put stop loss every time 1% of my
wow, that's
trading
great.
account, and whenever I have 1% gain, I move to the break even and just trade the stop until it hits. So
Hmm.
usually that gives me a good profit.
Wow, great, great, great. So
So risk management is key here, of course. That's
yeah, patience, and
yeah.
let's move on to a time frame about your question, right? So
Yes.
personally, when I open my laptop every day, I open my chart. I'll first of all I look at 1 hour, okay, just to check the
Okay.
conditions of market. Right now it's dumping and money is leaving the market. So obviously, on smaller time frame, I will take most of the sell signals. This is for scalping.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. So that's it. So I use 20 minutes time frame to enter,
Okay.
and 1 minute to know the situation, overall situation of the market. This is for I
So,
scalp. Okay, I don't
mhm.
hold my trade for days. Mostly my trades are for 1 or 2 hours max.
Okay.
If the dump is huge, maybe
Hmm.
sometimes my trades are limited for minutes or seconds in rare cases.
Okay. So,
Any other question?
so and what about the settings? Just use the default settings on the
Yeah,
indicators.
default, yes, always. Um, Look at
Always
my setting.
defaults. Okay.
Okay, if I set it there to defaults one more time, nothing will change because I'm already using default settings always.
Okay. Okay.
Nothing is changed. And you got this new update about B plus, this trend line.
Yeah. The alpha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So alpha is merged with the B plus to make to
Mm-hmm.
give you
Good.
more confirmations and make make you more aware of the
Confident on the trade.
situation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's it.
So, yeah, I think so. I will try to put this in my trading routine
Yeah. Yeah.
first, because this is what I'm missing here. So now I can start using these rules
Yeah.
in
Just
a paper account just
uh,
to backtest it in history to see how it's work.
yeah. Just
And I will,
take at least 3 days and tell me the results. Okay. And do
of
not
course,
break
I will.
any rule. Just set a wallpaper.
Yeah, yeah, of course. Don't worry about that. I'm very disciplined on that.
Okay. All right. All right, brother. Take care and see you next time.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Thank you.
All
Thank you
right.
very much.